Wildlife conservation is the practice of protecting wild plant and animal species and their habitats. The goal of wildlife conservation is to ensure that nature will be around for future generations to enjoy and also recognize the importance of wildlife and wilderness for humans and other species alike. Many nations have government agencies dedicated to wildlife conservation which help to implement policies designated to protect wildlife. Numerous independent non-profit organizations also promote various wildlife conservation causes.
Wildlife conservation has become an increasingly important practice due to the negative effects of human activity on wildlife. The science of extinction is called dirology. An endangered species is defined as a population of a living species that is in danger of becoming extinct because of several reasons. Some of the reasons can be that number one, the species have a very low population, or number two, they are threatened by varying environmental or prepositional parameters.
Wildlife management attempts to balance the needs of wildlife with the needs of people using the best available science. Wildlife management can include gamekeeping, wildlife conservation, and pest control. Wildlife management draws on disciplines such as mathematics, chemistry, biology, ecology, climatology, and geography to gain the best results. Wildlife conservation aims to halt the loss of the Earth's biodiversity by taking into consideration ecological principles such as carrying capacity, distribution, and succession, and environmental conditioning such as physical geography, pedology, and hydrology, with the aim of balancing the needs of wildlife with the needs of people.
Climate change is one of the major dangers to wildlife. It causes dangerous changes to the landscape, adding stress to the wildlife species and their habitat. Climate change could cause disastrous loss of the wildlife species. More major dangers are unregulated hunting, pollution, and overexploitation. Today we are taking more than the natural earth can supply. The danger is that if we take too many individuals of a species from their natural environment, the species may no longer be able to survive. The increase of population of human beings is the most major threat to wildlife. More people means more consumption of food, water, and fuel. More waste is then generated.
Solutions to protecting wildlife are:
Learn about endangered species in your area.
Oh shit. Recycle and buy sustainable products.
Make your home wildlife friendly.
slow down when driving,